And with severe weather comes damage, and the Valley has seen its fair share of both in the past couple of days. But if you found yourself on the receiving end of storm damage, our Nixon Norman shares some tips on those next steps you may want to take.
The word of the day, if you think about your insurance policy, is document, document, document.
It's impossible to turn back time. But before we dive into what you need to do after damage occurs, if you know severe weather is coming, it's important to document the state of your home before any possible damage occurs.
Go around your house with your cell phone and take pictures of all your valuable items, your appliances, your televisions, all those things of value that you want to make sure you have documented. Make sure you've got the geotagging, all the timestamp stuff going on your cell phone. And that can make the claims process, if something happens to your home, much smoother.
If your home does get damaged, there's something you need to do immediately and something you need to look out for.
The first person you should call if you think you have damage is your insurance agent. Make sure you have their phone number stored in your cell phone and call them immediately. And be very wary of contractors that show up within 12, 18 hours of a storm. They may not have great documentation. We just don't want people to get taken advantage of. And we see that from time to time after these big severe weather events.
Let's say you have suffered damage. What can you do to avoid being scammed by someone when getting your house repaired?
When you're out there looking for a potential contractor to help kind of repair your home, look for somebody in your local community. Chances are they're reputable. Everyone knows them. You're going to avoid that potential for kind of the fly-by-night fraud scenarios that we actually see from time to time. And also make sure that they're essentially licensed and bonded and have their own insurance. That's a good indicator that they're a reputable company.
Nixon Norman, Fox 54 News.